Are you getting the "your connection is unstable" error while using FaceTime? This can often happen because of a shaky internet connection, network hiccups, or outdated software on your iPhone. But no worries, this guide has got you covered with effective solutions to get your FaceTime calls back on track. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Test and stabilize your internet connection. A weak or fluctuating internet connection is typically the biggest culprit behind unstable FaceTime calls. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Next, enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. After that, check to ensure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now open a browser and visit fast.com to test your internet speed. If your internet speed seems slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which one performs better. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Sometimes, simply restarting the FaceTime app can fix temporary glitches causing the error. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Then swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it completely. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh for FaceTime. Enabling background app refresh can help keep FaceTime running smoothly in the background. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Background app refresh. Choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, scroll down and make sure FaceTime is enabled for background app refresh. Solution 4. Check and reset network settings. If your network settings are not configured correctly, it could lead to unstable FaceTime connections. First, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. Now once your iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data and try FaceTime again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "your connection is unstable" issue on FaceTime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.